Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I am doing a bathroom clean with me. I know it has been a while since I have been on my YouTube channel. So first of all, I want to apologize for the delay and not making any promises, but I'm hoping to start making videos at least once a week. So let's get into the video. So right here, I'm just using my Everspring spray, which is just an all-purpose cleaner. It's all natural from Target. I normally use Mrs. Meyer's, but I just wanted to change it up. And then I realized that I should have cleaned my mirrors first, because I always try to work top to bottom, just because if dust falls, you'll be able to get everything. So I'm just wiping that down, and then I'll wipe down the frame as well.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you.
So the next thing I'm doing is just wiping down the outside of my cabinet area, and I'll wipe down the side as well. And I always try to remember to wipe down the trash can, but try to make sure you wipe that down last, and then just get rid of the rag right after you finish wiping down the trash can. Normally I just use clear liquid soap, but we're just trying to get rid of the green soap that we have. So that's what's in the soap dispenser. The soap dispenser is actually just a clear glass, but we just want to get rid of that green soap. So that's what I'm doing here, is just wiping it down. I know all that gunk gets at the top of the everybody's soap dispenser, so just be sure to wipe that down. And then the container that we're keeping all of our toothbrush and toothpaste in, just wipe that down, because that can get pretty nasty as well. So the next thing I'm doing is cleaning the toilet. Fun, I know, for everyone, but I always clean it with paper towel. And the stuff that I'm putting inside the toilet is bar keepers. You can just get it at your local Walmart or Dollar Tree, and I just let that sit in there. So if you have like a ring around your toilet or something like that, that definitely gets that out. So while I'm cleaning the toilet along with the shower, I'm just gonna let that stay in there, and then I'll come back to that later.
Days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, when we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
With the shower, the best tip I have is just to get a great shower cleaner. Once you figure out what shower cleaner you use, I'm just using the Daily Shower Cleaner from Jaws, and it's a company online that you can order from. It is all natural as well. And what I do is I just spray the shower and let it sit for a few minutes, and then honestly I just wipe it out with my e-cloth rag, and we are good to go, because we are really good about making sure to wipe out the shower once we get out, or at least rinse the shower out once we get out, just so it's not such a hard job whenever we are detail cleaning the bathroom.
Might be be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done,
So I don't know if you noticed, but I actually didn't flush the toilet after I cleaned with the after I used the brush in the toilet. So I just scrubbed the toilet and then I let that sit. So I'm going to vacuum and mop and then I'll flush it afterwards. Just make sure you do flush it, especially if you have young kids, because they might find something like that interesting.
I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, when we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all.
So thank you guys again for watching this bathroom clean with me. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things done today. It literally took me about 20 minutes to get all this done, and now my bathroom is detail clean for at least a couple of weeks or so. So just wanted to hop on here. Hopefully I will be able to get videos out to you guys. Just don't want to make any promises, but I do appreciate all the support and videos that have been watched since I haven't been posting. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.
Yeah,